In the old world, if you had a niche problem, you had two choices: pay $50,000 for a developer or suffer through a generic app that didn't quite work. But today, March 4th, 2026, the digital divide has become the customization divide. The most valuable software isn't the one used by millions, it's the one used by 50 people in your neighborhood to solve a specific local friction. This is the era of vibe coding. You don't need a CS degree. You just need a weekend, a problem, and the intent to solve it. Today, we build a micro-SaaS from scratch. Vibe coding is the shift from syntax to intent. The workflow. You aren't writing lines of Python or JavaScript. You are orchestrating an AI agent. You describe the vibe, the flow, the logic, the problem. The loop. The agent generates the code, you test it in the browser, and you give feedback like a director. Make the map toggle between 2D and 3D, or add a Stripe link for instant payments. The speed. In 2026, tools like Lovable or Horizons handle the database and the deployment. You can go from I have an idea to I have a URL in under 6 hours. Take a local farming co-op. The friction. Farmers lose 20% of their profit because they can't coordinate their harvest with market demand. The Micro-SaaS, a soil-to-market tracker. It's a dead simple mobile tool where farmers log their ready-to-pick dates. The AI aggregates the data and alerts local grocery stores. The value. It's hyper-niche. A big software company wouldn't build this, but for these 30 farmers, it's a lifeline. Or look at the new drone hubs. The friction. Local delivery startups are popping up everywhere, but they are drowning in regulatory fog. The Micro-SaaS, an AI-driven scheduling tool that automatically checks local weather, no-fly zones, and battery math before every flight. The sovereignty. You aren't building the next Uber. You are building the specific OS for a single drone hub in your city. Let's talk the sovereign salary. The pricing. $20 a month. For a business, that's the price of a couple of coffees. The scale. You don't need 1 million users. You only need 50 local clients. The result. That's $1,000 a month in recurring, passive revenue. In 2026, that is a sovereign base. It covers your energy, your AI subscriptions, and your freedom to build the next thing. One weekend of work for years of yield. The world is full of broken processes waiting for a piece of code to fix them. Don't wait for a startup in San Francisco to notice your town. Use the tools. Describe the logic. Build the bridge. The future isn't global, it's hyperlocal. Stay sharp. Stay sovereign. In the description, I've linked my 48-hour Micro-SaaS vibe prompts. These are the exact prompts I use to generate databases and payment flows in seconds. Comment below. What is the most broken business process in your neighborhood? Subscribe to The Rebuild.